Hello everyone and welcome to another lecture from your school APS Old Kind Prayagraj. I am your computer teacher and today we are going to study about the computer. Okay, तो आपकी बेटा व्हाट्सएप क्लास का समय शुरू हो चुका है. You are in a WhatsApp class and I am posting this video of about 10 to 20 minutes in which we will discuss about the topologies. Okay, let's start. This is our chapter 10. This is our chapter 10 of topology in which we have to study about the networks. So as in the earlier classes we have already discussed about the computer network. What is computer network? Computer network is nothing but what? Computer network is nothing but a way to communicate between the devices. Suppose if I have a two computer, if I have a two mobile, then how they will communicate with each other is called computer network. Then network hardware. Network hardware is something that is used to form a computer network. If you need to make a computer network between the two computers, then what network devices you will use is called network hardware. Need for a computer, obviously need of a computer is for the communication, for the exchange of the data, to exchange the entire thing that you are going to happen, all your feelings and all that. Types of network, there are three types of network: LAN, WAN, and these things. Then network topology, which we are going to study today, and network operating system. Let's start with the chapter 10. Now today we are going to study about network topology, but I would like to recall the previous concepts. In the previous chapter, we have already discussed about the network topology, types of networks. As I told you, we have different type of networks. Means that we can have a small network like in our IT lab. In our IT lab, we have only 30 to 40 computer. Okay, so in our IT lab, we have only 10 to 40 computer. 10 to 40 computers which is connected to the single networks. And suppose if I have a lots of computer, more than 50 computer, more than 100 computer, and I wanted to connect it with a single room, then it is called also a LAN. LAN means local area network, which is form a small network, a small geographical area, like our school, like our lab, is called LAN. After the LAN, we have metropolitan area network. In metropolitan area network, that connects a larger geographical area than LAN. In LAN, we connect only a single building, we connect only a single room. But in MAN, we connect whole of the world, whole of the city. Okay, we connect whole of the city. Now, in metropolitan area network is the network that can be spread to the city. Suppose we have a cable television, which was earlier in the time telecom company like telephone, which was earlier. In this period of time, in this era of education, in this era of technology, we don't have cable television, even not telephone companies, because the telephone companies are also moving to the wireless fidelity and wireless network schemes, which is more better than the wire. Okay, now the last is wide area network. Wide area network is the largest network that can be a internet, so any person in this world can be used from anywhere to anywhere, and if it is connected to that network, that anyone can from any corner of the world can connect to any other person having internet connectivity. So the internet is a better option of internet. Internet is a better option of WAN. WAN means wide area network, where the lots of people are connected to each other using the internet. Now from today we are going to study about network topology. So what do you mean by network topology? In the network topology means that it's a structure or layout how you will arrange the computer. Suppose you have a different type of computer, different power, different division, different working capacity of the computer, and then how you should manage these computers. Suppose we have 10 computers and we wanted to arrange. So first of all, in which manner we should arrange. Suppose that if I have a 5 printer, if I have a 5 computer, not printer, 5 computer, these 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I have a single printer. Now how should I connect? If I connect in this manner, then this person and this person will feel some problem to have to getting the printouts, because this is our printer. Now, if we talk about what is the best for this, for best it is in circle manner. Why? In the circle manner, we will arrange the people like this. Here is another computer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and from here is a single printer. So if I connect in this manner, so all the person can get the printout from this printer in very efficient and very sufficient manner from here. Got it? In bus topology, we have lots of printers, lots of things that are connected to each other, and then yeah, done. And then क्या होगा? Then we have a network, bus network, which is connected to another computer in a linear way. In bus topology, what we have, we connect all the computers to a single cable and connect all the computers to each other in which manner? In a linear manner. So we will connect all the computers via single cable in linear manner. We have only single cable, okay, and all systems are connected to this cable. Got it? Now in star topology, what we have? In star topology, we have a single separate network for each computer. As you can see, there is a single network for single computer. This is separate for everyone. No one is sharing the wire. As you can see, this wire is here same. This main wire is same for every computer, but here we have different wires. So here the wire is used more. Now in ring topology is just a similar part of bus topology. If we connect this system number 5 to the system number 1, then it will form a in ring topology. In ring topology, all systems are connected in a in a circular way, and there is a token which is used to transfer the data. If you wanted to transfer data, you can load your data to the token as well as the destination address, and then this destination address will read read by the network administrator, and the data is delivered to the desired computer. This ring is just revolve around this ring like this always. So if you wanted to send data, you should place your data in this ring, and whenever this ring go to the relevant computer or relevant machine, it will transfer your data. I think now it's very clear to you network topology. Now it's time for your homework. What you have to do? Draw the diagram of all the topologies and write advantages and disadvantages of the different topologies. Means advantage advantage of bus topology, advantages of ring topology, advantages of star topology, and same disadvantages for each topology. This is the advantage part. You will write the advantage of these topologies, and same way you will write the disadvantage of the topology. I am zooming in this, and you can take the screenshot from here. Take the screenshot, and I wanted to see each and every student should do this work. This is very important for you. I think you are able to see and you are able to read this. Okay, so this is your homework. I will mention the date also. What is the date of today? Today is 8 August. So 8 August 20. Okay, so this is your homework. Take the screenshot and you should note down. If you have any problem, then come back to the WhatsApp and you should ask me. In next chapter, what we'll do in this next class, first of all I will check your homework, and after that I will teach you about the network operating system, which is peer-to-peer and server and client server. And after that we will discuss about your question answer, and I will give you the complete solution of this exercise, and you will write the question answer in your copy, exercise in your copy. This is for the next class. For today, what we have studied, about the network topology, and you have to draw diagrams these three diagrams of the topologies. And after that we will study about, we will try to know about the network operating system. So what you have, your homework is, I am again repeating, you have to make these three diagrams, and then you have to note down advantages and disadvantages of topologies. You can also search on internet, you can use the internet also. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I am on WhatsApp. Okay, come here and I will tell you all your doubts. Okay. Thank you everyone for being here, and have a nice day.